Hello everyone, and you are welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to sort data. Endeavor to stay tuned to watch this tutorial to the end, so that in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to sort data in ascending order and also in descending order. And at the same time, we are going to learn how to customize the way we sort our data. Now, let us look at the table that we have on our screen. And we want to learn how to sort data in different ways. To sort our data, then we go on when we go to the data tab under this ribbon. We go to the data tab, the sort and the sort and filter section. And from here, we'll see these three. We'll see the sort option. The first one is to sort A to Z in ascending order. The second one is to sort Z to A in descending order. And the third option is there for us to customize how we want to sort our data. Now, let us start. From this table, the task is to sort the first name, the column A, in ascending order, that is from A to Z. We want to sort from A to Z. So what we are going to do is that I'm going to select this column, then under Data tab, Sort and Filter section, then I click on this first one, Sort A to Z. Once I click Sort A to Z, the dialog box brings up that do I want to expand the selection or I just want to continue with the current selection. What this means is that if I select expand the selection, that is, Excel will sort column A, and at the same time it will carry along the corresponding items that are on the same row. But if I select continue with the current selection, Excel will only sort column A and without considering the items that are on the same row in the other columns. What do I mean by this? Now let us to sort column A from A to Z. If I select column A and I choose the second option, continue with the current selection. Like I said, what this is telling Excel is that only sort column A. Forget about what is in column B to I. That is what we are trying to tell Excel, and see what Excel will do. As you can see from here is that Sakura, the surname is Yamoto, and is a marketing specialist. So what this means is that if I select continue with current selection, it will only sort column A without considering the rest of the column. Now let us see. I select the second option and I do sort. As you can see that Excel only sorted column A. That means Yamoto, which is supposed to be the surname of Sakura, was not sorted along with Sakura. So that means Excel only sorted column A and left out the remaining columns. So this is a wrong way of doing our sorting. So that is to tell us that if we want to sort in Excel, we should always select expand the selection. So like I said, when we select to sort, I will select column A and I select this. For an accurate sorting, we should use expand the selection. And in this case, when I do the sorting, Excel has sorted from A to Z, Andrew, and the surname of Andrew is Sonka. If we scroll down, we can see that Excel sorted Sakura is Yamoto. So using the expand selection is the best way of sorting in Excel. Now, if I want to sort column E in descending order, that is from Z to A, say sort column E from Z to A, I will select my column E, go to Data tab, select Sort Z to A. Don't forget, we want to sort the nickname in a descending order from Z to A. And I will select this. Don't forget, we are going to use expand the selection. We are going to use expand the selection. So when I do sort, so we can see that Excel has sorted the nickname in a descending order from Z to A. And not only sorted the column E, it at the same time at the same time carried along the remaining items that are on the same row. That is the essence of sorting in a sorting by expanding the selection. So that is a simple way of sorting data either in ascending order or in descending order in Microsoft Excel. And I believe we all understood this method. So the third option that I want to show us is how to customize our sorting. That is how we want Excel to do the sorting for us. And in this case, we can actually define our list. What do I mean by this? When we look at the work status, if I want to sort the work status, then it's either I sort it from A to Z. Then when I sort from A to Z, then I will have it in this form: applied, contract, full-time, and part-time. Or I sort from Z to A, then I will have part-time, full-time, contract, and applied. But I don't want to sort in either of these format. Rather, I want Excel to sort it for me in such that if I will see the full-time first, followed by the part-time, followed by the contract, then the applied. That is the way I want Excel to sort this work status for me. Then what do I need to do? Then I need to build this pattern, this list, into the custom list. And how do I build this into the custom list? Then we go into File. Under File, we go to Options. In Option, we go to Advanced. Then under Advanced, then we scroll down the line to Edit Custom List. Create Edit Custom List. Once I click the Edit Custom List, then the next thing to do is to do Import List from Cell. When I select this, so then I can import this list, this pattern, that the way I want it as stated there, I can import it, and I will do OK. When I do OK, I import it. So this list, this pattern is added into the custom list, and I do OK, and that is done. So what I will now do is I come back to my sorting, to my table. I select this part, I select this column, then I go to the third option, the custom sorting, expand selection. I said yes. So it brings up this window. So what this means is that I want to sort based on the work status, but I don't want to sort from Z to A. Rather, I want to sort using the custom list. Don't forget that I just build my custom list. So I can now go to my custom list. I will select the full time. I will select OK. So I want the worker to be sorted in this format. Then I will do OK. As you can see, we've succeeded in sorting this list according to this work status. As you can see here, that the full time is sorted first, followed by the part time, followed by the contract, then followed by apply. So this is how to customize the way we use our sorting. And this is how to sort based on custom sorting. This is how to sort data, so that you sort in ascending order, or you sort in descending order, or you customize how you want to sort your data. And to customize how you want to sort your data, you need to build your custom list. So once you build your custom list, then you can now sort your data accordingly. Thank you for watching this video, and I believe that by now you have learned something from this video. You should be able to sort your data now, either in ascending order or in descending order, or even customize how you want to sort your data. And don't forget to like this video. Share this video to your network so that these too can learn from this tutorial. And also, I also want to engage with you. So put your comment below in the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so now. Click on the subscribe button below and put on the notification bell so that you will be aware when we drop the next video. I also want to urge you that whatsoever you have learned from this tutorial, Try to practice it on your own worksheet. Don't forget, the objective of this channel is to help you to be a Microsoft Excel maestro.